Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I'm gonna do a comparison between Textbot AI and Press One Cash. All right, now both of these opportunities are text marketing related opportunities. Both of these opportunities, you get phone numbers through which you can market your business. Both of them have affiliate programs attached to them as well. But there are a few differences as well. Now, before I go any further, I do want to clarify that both of these products, in my opinion, are great products to have. However, again, there are certain similarities and differences between both, and I just want to go through this really quick with you guys. All right. So with TextBot AI, you're able to promote your phone number as well as these two additional links here. You have your basic TextBot site here, which is the one at the bottom. Apologize, and you have one here that drives you to a new presentation funnel. Okay, so you have the two links and the phone number. With Press One Cash, you basically get the phone number, which would be your phone number down here that you use to promote your business, and you're able to add your website right here. Now, in terms of the overall back office with Press One Cash, it's pretty straightforward. This is everything that you see here. It gives you all of your instructions, your details here, on what you need to do next when you become a member, all your account information there, payment instructions you can leave here for your prospects. They tell you how you can go about doing that as well here. Uh, you could also change your outgoing message. You will see a list of your calls that you received from your phone number here. You have a list of all your downloads there, and you'll be able to purchase credits in the back office as well. So your options will be on the side here. You have your dashboard, you have your profile, you can edit your profile, gives you a list of resources, training, FAQ, and support. Pretty basic, nothing too overwhelming, okay? With TextBot AI, you have your dashboard. And for those who join at the AVA basic level, which is the $100 level as of right now, you're able to get access to your leads, you're able to chat, you access to your settings, you're able to create a custom keywords here, and you also get access to the personal evolution, which is something that's fairly new to TextBot. All right, the custom keywords is a great addition as well to TextBot because it allows you to use your phone number as a SMS marketing service. Basically, you're able to create a keyword and have prospects text your keyword to your phone number, and that way they will receive your information about your opportunity or product or service. Right? That's cool. Now, if you're an AVA Plus member, this is an optional upgrade. That is $500 that you have to send out to your sponsor, and then there's a membership fee of $4.99 you'd have to send out as well to the company. You're able to see your resellers here as well. So when people join under you, you'll be able to see them down here in your resellers area. This will be your leverage line down here, your team members that would be here, which would be my team, and the leverage line that shows you um, who is in line to basically pass up their second sale to you. Because with TextBot AI and as with Press One Cash, they're both similar in that respect, as in you have to pass up a sale in order to be qualified. So for both, you would have to pass up your second sale in order to be, well, with TextBot, you have to pass up your second sale. With Press One Cash, you have to pass up your first sale, okay, to be fully qualified. You also have access to resources as well. You have access to the Facebook group. All right. One more thing here, and this is where you'll be able to get help. Now, with TextBot AI, as with Press One Cash, you're able to advertise your primary business. The way you will go about doing that, you will go to wrong link, quick links, you go to your profile. So with your profile in TextBot, you're able to add a custom message right down here under the primary business tab. This will be the URL of your primary business. You can add that right there, and that will be something that you can use to promote your other business to your prospects. Okay, you have different payment methods here, payment method options there. There are about 8 of them there that you can utilize, and your contact info will be there. All right. With Press One Cash, guys, again, It's pretty basic. Everything's laid out for you right here in front of you. You of course also have your resources as well. They give you sample ads that you can use for Craigslist. They give you different places where you can go to get leads, like this one here, my lead generation secret. You go here to get your capture pages for a monthly fee, mycapturepage.com, voice hotline and mailbox, your postcard marketing, and things of that nature. You can go through all of this to yourself when you join. It's pretty straightforward as well, but let me just show you these sample ads that they give you really quick as well. And these are the ads that they give you to use for Craigslist as well, right? You can edit the ads to make sure you have your phone number in as well. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple ads. You get about seven, six, seven, maybe eight of them as well. I didn't get a chance to count them, but there are a couple ads you can use back here for that, and they have a small little section for your training. So they give you all instructions on how to set up your payments and give you a little back office training. Hold on, just give me 1 second. And then they show you how to set up to promote your primary business, which is very straightforward, guys. There's nothing complicated about that. Textbot AI is pretty much the same in terms of they give you a little bit more resources other than Press One Cash, but they do give you resources as well. So we're going to go down to the resellers tab here, resources. Now, again, one of the things that I love about both these opportunities, guys, is that they are marketer friendly in terms of how you can, utilize different ways to promote them. Because again, everyone has a cell phone and everyone, is looking for ways to earn extra income. And with these opportunities, you can promote them using business cards. You can promote them using drop cards. You can literally use them, promote them by creating flyers for them with your phone number attached to those flyers so people can call and get the information. The difference there, though, is that with Press One Cash, you won't have an automated virtual explaining the opportunity to you. What it'll do is that when you call the Press One Cash number, it'll give you the option to press one. And then once a person press one, that information, whatever information you set up in your back office, that will be sent to that person. Okay. So once you press one, generally the conversation is done after that. With Textbot AI, you're going to actually hold a real-time conversation with, the automated virtual assistant. And the assistant's going to do pretty much the explaining, the selling, and telling for you to your prospects. Okay. It'll pretty much qualify your prospects. It will give you a layout of how everything is going to go in terms of who you need to send your payments to should you join and things of that nature. Okay. You have promo videos here that you can use. You have two different email swipe copies that you can use. You have solo ad swipe as well. And you have social media ads and posts from their ad. And then they have an Instagram account as well where you can, grab some stuff from there as well. At the end of the day, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up by saying this, and I feel that this has to be said. The price points with Textbot AI and Press One Cash are a bit different, okay? So with Press One Cash, it's $297 up front one time. So $200 goes to your upline as, your qualifying sale, and the $97 goes to the admin. Textbot AI, for the rest of this year, Textbot AI is $100 one time, and that will go to your sponsor, okay? And then, well, no, that first sale will go directly to you when you join, and then the second sale is the passive sale. So that second sale that you have in the business will go up to your sponsor. So when you join, you're going to pay your sponsor the $100, and then when you get your second sale, you're going to pass that second sale up to your sponsor. Hopefully I explained that well enough for you guys to get it, but if I did it, I do apologize. But if you have any questions about the compensation plan, you can leave them below as well, and I'll reach out to you to answer those questions as well. At the end of the day, guys, these are great opportunities. It's plain and simple. I don't have a preference over one over another, but I do wish that Press One Cash did have more marketing resources as well. I wish they offered a more abundant set of materials that people can use instead of just a traditional, the Craigslist ads and things like that. There's not really many images in the back office for Press One Cash that you can use to promote on social media. But having said that, guys, again, both of these are great opportunities to earn with. Both of these opportunities are pretty much simple to promote. Um, and at the end of the day, that it's just something that I feel every marketer should get involved with. Every marketer should have at least one of these opportunities in their back pocket. Okay. With Textbot AI, as I said, the pricing is going to change after this year, after 2020. It is going to be $150. Okay, so the $100 will be passed up when you join. The $100 you'll be paying to your sponsor, and then the $50 will be for the reseller license. So when you pay $100, you're getting the product. You're not going to be able to resell the product until you pay the extra $50 after this year. Okay, so from the time you're watching this video up until December, oh no, up until January 1st, I apologize. January 1st is the cutoff date for where the program is $100 one time. Once January 1st hits, it's going to be $150 one time. And that $100 again is going to be for the product. The $50 is going to be for the reseller license. So if you do want to resell it, it's going to be $150 to resell it. Okay? And that's even then, that's still a steal in my opinion. For all the features and benefits that you get with Textbot, it's still a steal either way. So you really can't go wrong with that. Press One Cash, it's a bit higher, yes. I mean, it is a solid product, but it is a bit higher. So for those who are on I guess, on a budget, if you will, and they want something like this with an SMS marketing platform that they can earn with, the $100 for now and the $150 price point that it will be in January, they're still great price points for what you're getting. Okay, so I highly recommend both of these opportunities, but if I had to choose one over the other, I would go with Textbot AI simply because it's more, you get more out of the product than you would with a Press One Cash. But I do love both, and I just want to make sure I clarify that. Okay, so having said that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the Textbot AI and Press One Cash. If you have any questions about either one, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions in the comments section. If you're looking to get more information about either one, there will be the links in the description section for both. So you can go take a look and check it out for yourself and see what you think of both opportunities and see if you think that either one of them will be a fit for you and what you're trying to do online. Okay. Having said that, guys, I'm going to end this video right now. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. Okay. For now, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe and have a good one.